So let us see what do we have here for you guys today. But I'm picking up something serious ito. Yeah, like right away. Let me see what is this all about. But okay, please be open-minded. Open-minded ka ba? Hoy! Wala tayo sa networking So let us see. No, but yeah, I'm serious. This is something here that I'm picking up, no? Na parang medyo serious situation or serious topic. That's what I'm picking up right in here. Let me see. Yun na. So you're thinking if your person here ay under a spell, a gayuma, a black magic, or a love spell, no matter how you call it, others call it gayuma, others call it love potion, others call it black magic, okay? So whatever it is, no, iniisip mo, you're thinking na ang person mo ay nagayuma, kaya kanya iniwanan, at kaya hindi pa siya bumabalik ay still under pa rin siya ng spell. So, if you think like that, then this reading here ay for you. Let me get more informations. Actually, I don't like the energy. I don't know why. Yeah, this confirms my intuition already. We have 13 death energy, but also we have the rebirth, okay? It's like death or rebirth it is. I'm telling you, mamaya, no? Yung nakikita ko dito, 8 of Wands, 8 of Swords. So, if you want your person here, no, na makaalis rito sa ilalim ng isang black magic, sa isang gayuma, sa isang spell, no, others, yung iba, kahit na ito ay gayuma, others kulit kulam, okay? So, feel free to use any varieties, no, na gusto mo ritong itawag, no, but that's what I'm picking up right in here. So, bago natin pag-usapan pa more ang reading ninyo mga mahal, this is a very delicate situation here. So, it looks like here, no, okay, hindi lahat makaka-resonate, but then again, we're gonna continue, okay, because this is also a very good information din, no, na pwedeng malaman din ng lahat, okay, so you can stay, okay, and if not, then you can watch other videos here, okay, timeless naman tayo. Hi and hello muna sa ating mga returning isdang buyers. Maraming salamat po, Yatters. At yun nga, no, sa ating mga bagong viewers, thank you sa inyo. New subscribers, my name is Yan. At yun yung hindi nyo pa subscribe po tayo other channel, link down below sa ating description box. If interesado, meron din tayong mga ina-upload na collective readings doon. No? I-click lang yung link dyan sa description box para makapunta kayo there. And still, available pa po ang ating 2026 overall written forecast para sa inyong zodiac sign. So that's for 1-5, consisting na ng general messages, love messages, career slash business messages, money messages, angel numbers for your extra guidance, and okay, the significant events to remember like yung mga sudden changes, mga pagbabago na hindi mo alam, or something na parang surprise sa'yo, dun din yon lalabas, no? At papasok, okay? So that is not a personal reading, but it is an overall forecast for the zodiac sign, okay? Kaya marami-rami yung makaka-resonate there, no? Or marami-rami na yung message na yun ay for you. Okay? Message ng inyong zodiac sign sa thehighpriestessrokr@gmail.com if you want to avail that. At yun nga, no, wala tayong time period dito kagaya ng binanggit ko. Okay? Pwedeng ito ay nangyari na, sa iba nangyayari na ngayon, at sa iba ay mangyayari pa lang. So, if this is you, you still love your person right in here, and nakita natin dito na you do. Okay? Yung iba nakikita ko rito na gusto mong makawala ang person mo, no, doon sa hinihinala mo rito under a spell siya. or under a potion siya, or under a gayuma, black magic, love potion, whatever, then you're right. Because this Ten of Swords speaks it all. Tama ang iyong hinala, tama ang iyong nasa isip, tama ang iyong kutob. Ang person mo ay kaya bigla ritong nahumaling sa iba, no? Kaya bigla ritong naglaho sa buhay mo, inabandon ka na lang ng bigla na parang hindi siya nag-isip, then definitely. Kasi meron ditong third party na gumawa rito ng paraan upang mapasa kanya ang person mo. The third party is also someone who believes in energy readings, who believes in tarot, who believes in spirits, who believes na kaya ng gayuma, may paniniwala siya sa gayuma na kaya niyang paibigin ang sino man na gusto niya ritong umibig sa kanya. At lumabas na itong tao na to, no, ay umibig sa yung person, no, at ito ay isang bawal na pag-ibig. Okay? The Queen of Wands in reverse, I don't like it, no? Because the Queen of Wands in reverse ay tuso yan. And at the same time, no, hindi yan sumusuko hanggat hindi niya nakukuha ang kanyang gusto. Kung hindi kayang daanan sa santong dasalan, sa santong paspasan niya ginawa. At dahil naniniwala siya sa bisa ng gayuma, black magic, love spell, naghanap siya ng taong talagang legit. No? Gumastos itong third party na to at yun ang nakikita ko dito. Yes, you're correct. Your person right in here ay 101% na under a love spell. But here's something that you need to know. We have here, no, na parang yung iba sa inyo, mahal niyo pa yung person ninyo, gusto niyo siya na makabalik sa buhay ninyo, yung iba kasi meron kayong mga anak, no, maybe this is your asawa or ka-live-in, no, this is the father or this is the mother of your child or your children. O yung iba naman dito, no, this is not someone na may anak na kayo, pero you love this person here and you believe na kaya siya umalis sa buhay mo because ginayuma siya, then you're right. Okay? But the thing here, this is an important message here. Importante ito. Listen very closely. If you want this person here back in your life, okay, lumalabas po dito, no, na with this Six of Swords energy, Six of Wands energy, death or rebirth, okay, Saram 죽을 거야. Okay? Ibig sabihin, pag binawi mo siya, mamamatay siya. Death, rebirth, okay? Parang mababawi mo siya, pero posibleng mamatay ang person mo, or wag na lang, pero mabubuhay siya. I don't know kung sinong authentic or kung sinong legit na taong may kakayanan ang nilapitan niya, pero totoong may kakayanan yun. Even if it's about pera-pera lang, okay? I do pick up that the person na nilapitan niya ay totoong kayang gawin yun. If you want your person here back to you, your person will die. Something that you probably do not know. Maybe this is you because I'm seeing you thinking, searching kung sino yung pwedeng makatulong, malapitan para manumbalik ang pag-ibig ng person mo para magising siya sa isang spell, sa isang yeah. Nag-react yung throat chakra ko ngayon or right now. Because maybe yung nilapitan nito, no, na may kakayanan, no, ay gusto na mag-shut up ako dito. Okay? But, even though that's the case, okay, hindi ako yung tatahimik lang na klase ng individual. Okay? So, your person here ay someone, no, na hindi mo alam. Ang alam mo lang, nag-iuma siya, okay, hanggang dun lang. Pero kapag nakahanap ka ng tao kasi naghahanap ka ng solusyon dito, sweetheart, eh. You're looking for a solution because you love your person, 'no? Because hindi lang 'yan dahil sa siya yung tatay or nanay ng mga anak ninyo or ng anak mo, 'no, pero yung iba wala kayong anak nito, but you love that person. You want the love na bumalik, 'no, dito, 'no, sa inyong dalawa, 'no. But something here ay nakatago sa inyo ritong kamalayan at yun nga yung bagay na yun. Okay, maaaring makahanap kayo ng tao na makakapagpabalik sa kanya, pero maaaring hindi niyo nalalaman 'no, na kapag nakahanap kayo ng legit, ang sasabihin niya talaga sa inyo, hindi mo mababawi 'yun dahil maaaring, ikamatay niya 'yun. Maaaring tanggalin at bunutin yung spell sa kanyang energy, hugutin ang spell ng tao na 'yun sa kanyang energy, but you, okay? You might suffer because that person here will die. And of course, that is not an option that you will choose, 'di ba? Eh, tandaan ninyo, kapag nakahanap kayo, kung reading na ito ay para sa'yo, at kapag nakahanap kayo ng isang legit talaga na may kakayanan sa mga ganitong bagay at gawa, okay? Sasabihin niya sa inyo ng malinaw, no, na kaya niyang bawiin ang person mo. Pero may kapalit 'yon, mamamatay ito. Mm. And if you will meet someone na scam or whatsoever, no, at hindi niya binanggit yan, then maybe it's all about pera-pera right in here. Okay? Okay? I'm seeing, no, na yung iba, it might be scam, na hindi talaga siya marunong bumawi ng person or whatever, no, then you gonna wait, diba? And yung iba naman ay possible na baka yun ay pera-pera, hindi niya banggitin sa iyo yun, no, but a true or tapat na manggagamot, eh, at may kakayanan ng magpagaling, eh, babanggitin yun sa inyo because that is the important part because we're talking about life, okay? We're talking about life here, no? The life of the person you love, okay? So you will be torn whether to let go of this person here, hayaan na lang siya dun sa third party. The third party is a greedy one, no? With the Queen of Wands in reverse, no? Tuso ito. Okay. So, nakita ko dito na parang I don't know how big yung bayad here or whatever it is. Okay. Maybe the third party is still paying, no? But you know, the price is really high. We're not talking here about bulks of money, but I'm talking that the price is really high because maybe ang kapalit nito ay ang soul ng third party. Susunugin ang kanyang kaluluwa sa hell, isn't it? Diba? So the price is really high, but the third party still push through. Why? Because the third party, eh, I do pick up loves your person here, but in an obsessive and possessive way. Okay? Because if the third party truly loves himself or herself, then hindi niya pipiliin na malagay sa alanganin, no, dahil we only live once sa earth. Okay? Yeah, there's afterlife, no? There's afterlife, but okay, this person here ay someone na what if hindi niya na ma-meet yung person mo sa afterlife, then this is the chance, no? And then finding someone who can do this to make your person fall in love with her or him, no, is possible, then ginamit niya yung opportunity na yon. That's why bigla na lang nanlamig yung person mo, nine of ah, Wands energy, bigla na lang siya ritong parang naging sweet sa iba, sa third party, bigla na lang siya ritong gumawa ng mga bagay na nagulat ka na lang na ginawa niya ng mga mali sa'yo. Yes, because your person is definitely under a spell, a love spell, a gayuma. No? So it's up to you, sweetheart. No, this is a very important message, no, coming from the divine. Eight of Wands, Eight of Swords, and the High Priestess. This definitely needs you a lot of thinking. Isipin mong mabuti. Okay? Because I do pick up that you do not want someone to die here, especially if it's the person you love. If it's the person here, no, na pinahalagahan mo or mahalaga pa rin sa'yo or special pa rin sa'yo, no? And even if we're talking about life itself here, okay? So, yung nakikita ko dito. If you want your person to go back to you, konting panahon lang yung igugugol nyo sa isa't isa, that person will surely die. Okay? But, if you choose na hindi bawiin yung person mo at nandoon lang siya sa third party, no, but still under a spell, your person will live. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. I know this is something here that could be unfair sa inyo, but please do know that we have bad karma bouncing back to the third party. Okay? That's not your problem anyway. Let the universe handle it, but this is the reality here. This is something here na, kanina habang sinisimulan ko 'to 'no, hanggang ngayon nakikita ko sa aking vision ang malaking puting-puting maliwanag na buwan, sa ilalim ng puting ilaw. 'Yan 'no, pinapatawa lang kita 'yan 'no, kasi alam ko ang bigat na ng dinadala mo 'no. But then again, with that big, uh very bright moon na nakikita ko sa aking vision 'no, as I start of this reading, kaya up until now, this is something here very hidden sa inyo, okay? Like yun yung information na dapat ay malaman ninyo. It's up to you, sweetheart, okay? Because I'm seeing you struggling right now. You want your person here back to you, but this is the truth behind all of this. Okay? Always, always, no, tumawag sa taas. Okay? Dahil meron tayong Diyos. And please do believe that we have karmas. Okay? The third party will definitely face this. Super laki nitong kasalanan niya dito. Hindi lang to kasalanan sa inyo, kundi kasalanan ito, no? Sa Panginoon. Okay? So for the initials right in here, so we have RC, RC, yan, no? Maaaring mahilig sa soft drinks. Or baka naman RC talaga ang initials or nickname. Just take only what resonates. Let's proceed. Capital letter M, capital letter P, capital letter B as in boy. We also have here T, H, I, K, Victory V, and last but not least, we have the letter L. So yeah, mga babes, no? Ito yung mga messages right here for you guys. Again, I'm Yuriana, Ani, Sarang Love and Light. Annyeong.